Hi, I'm John Watkis with Global Public Speaking. You may not have realized it, but the ability to say what needs to be said, when it needs to be said, and how it needs to be said can help change your community, change your circumstances, and even change the world. Now that might sound like an exaggeration, but if you look back on history, civilizations have been changed by one person who stood up and said what needed to be said. You may not be trying to change the world, but maybe you are trying to raise funds for your favorite charity. Maybe you're trying to encourage your team. Maybe you want your organization to move to the next level. It all begins with having the power to say what you want to say in the way that it needs to be said. And here at Global Public Speaking, we will help you do that in a way that is authentic so that it comes from your true voice. Public speaking, it's not a talent, it's a skill that you work on day by day. And if you move for progress and not perfection, you'll find that you're starting to make the changes wherever they need to be made for yourself and for the people around you.